There are some design trends from past decades that are still popular today or have come in and out of style over the years. However, there are other design features that haven't quite stood the test of time. In fact, even by just having them in your home, you're letting everyone know that you haven't updated your home in decades. Now, I understand that not everybody cares about having their home look up to date or following the latest trends, and if you love it, then by all means keep it. But if you're thinking about updating your home or doing some remodeling or even selling it in the near future, then consider updating the following 6 design features that may be seriously dating your home. But before we dive in, be sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you can be the first to know when new videos come out. And check out my website for lots of free home decorating resources. The first is carpet in every room. Wall-to-wall carpet in every room used to be considered a luxury, but not anymore. In fact, if you've had the same carpet in your home for more than 10 years, it could actually be considered unhealthy, and it's time for a replacement. Today's trend is all about hardwood flooring and luxury vinyl flooring, which are both more durable and more hygienic than carpet. Then place area rugs on top of your hardwood or vinyl floors to add pattern and color to your room, absorb noise, and to give your feet a nice soft place to land. If you absolutely can't imagine your bedroom without the softness of carpet, then by all means keep it in your bedrooms, but consider moving to hardwood or luxury vinyl for the main areas of your home. Number 2 is tile or laminate countertops. Tile and laminate countertops were a popular and durable option for many years, all the way up until around the late 1980s. So if you're doing the math, tile and laminate countertops went out of fashion about 40 years ago. If you have these countertops in your home, it's a sure sign that your kitchen and bathrooms need an update. Now, I will say that laminate remains a popular low-budget option today with much better colors and patterns than its early predecessors. However, the leading countertop choice for kitchens in this decade is solid surfaces like quartz or granite. Quartz is the surface I recommend due to its toughness and the fact that it doesn't require any maintenance like granite or marble do. So if your kitchen is looking a little dated and you have tile or laminate countertops, consider replacing them with quartz. You will not be disappointed. Number 3 is wallpaper borders. Wallpaper borders were widely popular during the 1980s and 1990s and were often used as a trim for the middle or tops of walls. Even though wallpaper has come back in style in recent years, wallpaper borders have not, and I don't expect them to return anytime soon. So here's some tough love for you. If you have a wallpaper border of florals or ducks still hanging around on your walls, it's time to ditch that border into the dumpster. Instead, opt for a full wall of wallpaper or just an accent wall, or add some crown molding or a chair rail, or even some timeless wainscoting to dress up your walls. Number 4 is fake plants on top of your kitchen cabinets. Do you have a collection of fake plants on top of the kitchen cabinets? If so, I need you to do something for me right now. Take them down. The fake trailing ivy is seriously dating your kitchen, and it's just up there catching dust. Now, I know that area above the cabinets is tempting and even a little awkward to decorate, but cramming that space full of faux greenery is not the answer. Today's trend is to run your cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, but if you have space between your cabinets and your ceiling, what should you do? Here's the thing. By adding decor to the tops of your cabinets, you are intentionally drawing the eye up to that space. And what's up there that we need to look at? Nothing. So you're much better off adding a beautiful backsplash or plants or decor that will keep the eyes at eye level. So either remove everything from the tops of your cabinets because you don't actually need anything up there, or if the urge to decorate up there is strong or you have super high ceilings, you can freshen up that space with a few simple baskets or some pottery for a more updated look. Number 5 is shiny gold hardware. Shiny brass faucets, light fixtures, and doorknobs were very popular in the late 80s and early 90s because they looked flashy and expensive. Then they went out of style for about 20 years. And even though brass hardware has made its way back into style, the new versions are much more muted and streamlined, and less yellow. So if you're holding on to your flashy gold fixtures thinking they've come back into style, I'm here to tell you you're likely doing your home a disservice, because those shiny fixtures could actually be making your home look outdated rather than updated. If you still love the gold look, instead look for brushed or aged brass hardware and light fixtures and do away with all the shiny 80s and 90s versions. Number 6 is popcorn ceilings. Nobody is putting popcorn ceilings into their homes these days. Nobody. And if you have plans to sell your house, home buyers consider popcorn ceilings a highly undesirable and unsightly feature for a house. The problem is, it's both messy and potentially unsafe to remove popcorn ceilings because some of them contain asbestos. So here's my advice. If you have the means and opportunity to remove your popcorn ceilings, do it. But be sure to consult with a professional to make sure it's done safely. To bring your home into this decade and brighten up the room, refinish your ceilings with a smoother texture, such as a knockdown texture, shown here in the little rectangle in the upper left. A nice, smooth, unnoticeable ceiling texture is just what you need to bring your home into the modern age. Did you see anything in there that looked familiar? If so, just remember, trends come and go, and you should always keep the things in your home that make you happy and that you enjoy. But if you're looking to keep your home looking current and fresh, then do consider finding alternatives to those 6 design features that could be really giving your home a much more dated look. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and head on over to my website where you can get more interior design tips and tricks and some pretty awesome freebies. See you next time.